Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's update is on Tickbit. So today, like I promised you, I said I'll be making an update, the last update about the crashing of Tickbit. A lot of people are still depositing on Tickbit when I've already talked in my Telegram and WhatsApp group that they should stop deposit in this app, that they have crashed. Okay, that they are crashing. I will make it a final video about the crashing, whether it's crashing or whether they are still under maintenance. Okay, currently they have crashed. Okay, they are no longer paying. So any amount of token you accumulate here, you can see I have $40 there. Okay, I currently deposited $25 in this app. Okay, and it's currently gone. Okay, that's the total deposit I had deposited. Okay, the rest is bonus that I got. The remaining $15 are bonuses that I got. Okay, which was not able to be withdrawn due to the crashing of the app. So this is how it works. Remember, I'm not the type of person that hides details. Okay, I'm not trying to hide. I will not hide things from you that I withdraw everything, then you guys are the one that lose. No, I'm a leader. Okay, I'm a mentor. Okay, so just like a father to children, so I have to tell you guys what really happens and why you should take my rankings very serious. At the start of this project, look at my videos 2 weeks ago. Look at my videos. Okay, I told you that this project is under suggestion category project. Okay, that I didn't rank it recommendation regardless of withdrawal. Remember, go and check my videos about Tickbit I made. You see what I said about it. All the videos, I always put it under suggestion category because I know that even though it's withdrawing, is allowing withdrawal, which is cash out to your wallet, it can crash also. That's why I left it as suggestion, among other reasons which I will not disclose here for some reasons. Okay, because we do a lot of analysis on project before we upload them here on YouTube. Okay, so that's why we encourage you, do your own research before you invest capitals. Okay, I always tell you, invest what you can afford to lose. I told you that any money I deposited is what I can afford to lose. Okay, I always tell you that. So if I told you, if $1,000 is money you can afford to lose, deposit it. If $500 is money you can afford to lose, deposit it, so that you can risk it. If you want to risk it, you can also lose it. And I told you that suggestion category project are project that you have 50% chance of you getting paid, you have 50% chance of you not getting paid. Now currently, if you click on withdraw, they have just spoiled everything. Okay, they have just crashed, and this is a sign of crashing. You can see this $36 was a withdrawal request. It shows approved here, but it was redeposited to the account. This $3 was another withdrawal, which make the account to be $40. Okay, $40 point, which is $40 plus currently the account. Okay, and the withdrawal days have increased to 6 days, which means they have crashed. So don't do anything with this app again. Delete it. If possible, delete the app from your phone. There's nothing good about this app for now. Okay, they have currently closed. Currently, if you have withdrawn previously without depositing big funds, okay, you would have no issue because you would have withdrawn already. Okay, so I encourage everyone to follow my prompt instructions. I'll tell you my strategy that cash out as you deposit. Once your deposit has been unfrozen, withdraw immediately. I told you guys in my previous videos. Okay, because it's under social category that I have. That is one of my strategies I'm using. Once I deposit and I get deposit bonus, I usually cash out the bonus and the available balance. Okay, but the mistake I made for this one is that I left this for another withdrawal. I was super busy that day. That's why I left it. Okay, I was super busy and I did check the account. My account was freezing. Okay, the date before this app crashed, okay, that day my account was frozen. My account was unfrozen, which is I'll be able to withdraw. This app crashed 3 o'clock. Okay, it crashed 3 o'clock 2 days ago. This app crashed 2 days ago, 3 o'clock. Okay, so for those of you that are currently on this app, you should notice that whenever you place withdraw, okay, the amount of the coins you withdraw will be redeposited back to the app. That means they have crashed. Okay, that means they have crashed. Okay, so this is a final conclusion of this video. Tickbit have crashed. Avoid it. avoid deposit. I'm repeating it, avoid deposit. Avoid deposit. Let me use red. Avoid depositing to this app. Don't deposit any money to this app. Avoid deposit to this app. Look at the screen, look at my instruction. I'm encouraging all my subscribers. So I'm doing this for the love of my subscribers, because I have to encourage you guys to avoid it, so that those of you that are currently not watching my uploads, do it to watch our video, subscribe to the channel. Like, that's why I tell you that the best you can do for yourself is to subscribe to my channel, because once you follow us by subscribing to the channel, you get notified about updates that we are giving. Okay, like as I'm telling you guys to stop anything with the app now, delete the app if possible out of your phone. Okay, because don't deposit any money. Don't deposit any money. They have crashed, because they have crashed. Okay, and currently, we thank God we have ranked it other special category project, because we know what it is. We know that it's going to crash. Okay, and we know the means. Okay, regardless of payment. So this is it, guys. They are scam. If you want to know our recommendation project, I've made a video on our recommendation project. Go and watch that video. Okay, go and watch that video. You will see our recommendation project. Atos is number 1. Go check our video that we tag Atos. Go and do that video. Watch the video. Register under Atos. Follow the instructions which I said. That is our recommendation project number 1. Go and do that one. Among others, we should recommend. I'll make an upload about another project. Okay, called Hive Farming. Okay, that is one, is also recommendation project. Go and do that one, and you will get cash out on that. So guys, those of you that are currently looking for recommendation project, go and do Hive Farm. I will make a video on that. Once you see that video, go and do it. Is our recommendation project number 2. Okay, number 3 is mCrypto. I will make a I've made a video on that already. Go check mCrypto in our channel. Go and watch that video and perform the task and cash out from mCrypto. That's our recommendation project. I want you to take note about our recommendation project. This project they hardly fail. Okay, and they last almost forever. They last longer, at least minimum of 2 to 5 years. These are recommendation projects. They last minimum of 2 to 5 years. Let me repeat again. Our recommendation projects, 90% of them last for 2 to 5 years. That's why I always tell you, any effort or capital you put into our recommendation project, you always get cash out from them. 90% of the time. 10% chance of 10% chance. Okay, if you will not get paid in our recommendation project, the chances is 10%. 190% chance of you getting paid in recommendation project. There's nothing like 100% chance in anything in life. Nothing like 100%. Nothing is guaranteed in this planet. As far as we are on planet Earth, nothing is permanent. Nothing is 100%. That's why our recommendation projects are 90% guaranteed. So anything you do on our recommendation project, you always get cash out. So I've just showed you 3 projects now: Atos, mCrypto, Hive Farming. I will make a video on Hive Farming. I've made a video already. Okay, go and check the Hive Farming app, follow the instructions and do it. That is our recommendation project. Always use the referral invitation code or referral code which I put in the comment section or the description of the video. Go and follow the instructions which I said. I've given you recommendation project too. Don't go and complain. I've given you recommendation project. Go and follow them and do it, so I will get cash out from them. Okay, so I've also told you that among those ones, some are mining, some are instant cash out, while some are mining. Among the recommendation project, 2 of them are instant cash out, while Atos is mining, which will take a few months for you to withdraw, while mCrypto and Hive Farming are instant cash out once you want to do them. So guys, we are selling Atos too. If you want to buy Atos, let me know in the comment section. Also in our community, let me know. We sell and buy Atos. If you have Atos to sell, DM me in the comment section on our Telegram group. Go and join our Telegram. Watch our videos. We see our link, socials, the link to our WhatsApp and Telegram in our videos. Go watch our videos and click on the link to join our Telegram and WhatsApp. DM me that you want to sell Atos, I will buy from you. DM me that you want to sell, DM me that you want to buy, I can sell to you. Okay, we have Atos for buying and selling. Okay, because it's under our recommendation project. So any money you invest in is guaranteed to come back to you. But follow the criteria. So there are mainnet criteria. There's KYC level 2 which you need to do. I've made a video on that. Go watch it out. Biometric verification is necessary for you to do. After passing, you'll be granted access to withdraw, which is coming very soon, a few months from now or a few weeks from now. So go and take it serious. Social value have ended. Snapshot is already taken. TG is coming this month. next week. Okay, so anyone that is currently on this project, you can cash out next week on ᴍᴜ_value. You can see your available ᴍᴜ_value we are giving and wait to cash out to be available in our upload tool. So guys, if you love our video, the first thing to do is to subscribe to the channel so we can grow gradually, okay, steadily, because once we grow to our target of 1 million subscribers upward, I believed by then, we are currently earning from the internet. Regardless that I just lost $25 now for the sake of this video. I'm making this video for you to understand that our social category project is 50% chance of you getting your money back and 50% chance of you not getting it back. $25 is approximately 30,000 naira in Nigeria currency. Okay, that is what I just lost now in this Tickbit app. Okay, so it's what I can afford to lose. That's why I put that one. Okay, so that is not money I will think about twice. Okay, that's not my problem. So 30,000 naira, 35,000 naira is not my problem. So if I put it on anything, I don't think about it twice. So for those of you that are currently invested heavily there, I told you invest what you can afford to lose. That if you invest any money on Tickbit or social category, afford what you can invest and sleep. I told you that if you invest any capital on a social category project and you cannot sleep, it means the money is bigger than what you can afford to risk. And I just explained to you that if you invest any capital in social category project and you are able to sleep, think properly, do things properly, it means it's money you can afford to lose. That's what I've just explained to you. That's what you can afford to risk. Okay, so take note of that. Focus more on the recommendation project and do focus less on the suggestion and try category project. Suggestion category projects are worthwhile. Okay, they can pay you, they cannot pay you. 50-50 chance of you getting paid, 50% chance of you not getting paid. You see, I just lost 35,000 naira now on this app because of its under social category. I just used it to encourage anyone to follow our ranking. Okay, the reason I put it is like I can make this very quick. Okay, I can make this very quick. This 35,000 naira, which is around $25, I lost now on this app. I'll be able to make it back in a few months. Okay, at least 2 or 3 months from now, from the online. Okay, not physically, from the online. I can make it. I can make it physically back very quick, and also I can make it in the online also very quick. So that's why I risk it, because I can make it back very quick. You will see for my upload and update, you will see cash out very soon. So you know that $25 is not my problem. Okay, so those of you that are currently mining that follow my footstep, always risk what you afford to lose. I'm not making this video to be proud or to say I have money. I am not saying that. It's just that $25 is my risk appetite. I can risk even more than that, way more than that. Okay, because I've lost way more than that before. So that's why those kind of money is not my problem. I can risk that amount of money and I can sleep properly, take properly. Okay, so for those of you that are your risk appetite is low, that you are afraid to risk $10, 20,000, 10,000, that's your problem. You have to work on your risk appetite and work on your mentality. Okay, and your psychology. Okay, if you have not made some money before or lost some amount of money that is huge before, you will be having issue to risk all this kind of money. Okay, but if you are someone like me that have lost million before and also make million before, millions of naira and lost millions of naira before, you know that 35,000 is nothing to me. Okay, so guys, that is my risk appetite, and I've also tell you, follow my instructions, follow my suggestion category project, and also follow recommendation category project. I've just talked about 3 projects now: Atos, High Farming, and Crypto. I've made a video on those videos. Go check them, follow the instructions. So if you have any issues, ask the comment section. Do also subscribe to our channel, share the videos we are uploading here so that people can learn. There are a lot of people that are misled. Okay, that's why we are here to direct you. Rank project according to their rank, put them where they belong. Okay, we put projects in where they belong. Okay, I just do this one to draw a warning to everyone that follow our recommendation project and avoid investing what you can afford to lose in social category project. But once you put this money in, remember, I've put way more than this in our recommendation project, so take note of that. So our recommendation project are also investments too. You understand that it's also investment. You can see some meme coins, some utility coins which you can invest on. That are also our recommendation project. Okay, so if you want to invest in recommendation project, I've invested way more than this in our recommendation project. So that's why I'm able to invest this in this ⴍᴜ category project just to try it out and show you what works and how to avoid scams in the future. So guys, I hope this is educative and self-explanatory. So that's the internet. We make, we lose, but make sure what you lose is smaller than what you make. Okay, I just told you I will make this very quick, back very soon, at least 1 or 2 months. I will make it back from the internet. Okay, but I can recover this very fast. That is not my problem. Like I told you earlier, I can recover this very fast. A week, I've already got that money back in a week time. So those of you that are currently having issues that Tickbit have crashed, if you have any issue, it means you have deposited a lot of money. But if you don't have issues like me, it means you have deposited what you can afford to lose. Okay, so guys, I hope this is self-explanatory, and to avoid future loss of capital in ⴍᴜ category project, don't invest what you can't afford to lose. Invest what you can afford to lose so that you can sleep and think properly. Okay, this is a final conclusion on Tickbit. They have crashed. Avoid it totally. Don't deposit a dime, not even $1. Don't deposit it again. Avoid it totally. Even delete the app if possible. Okay, and get wisdom from this upload. Okay, this information, use it to encourage yourself. Understand how scam platform work. Okay, platform can pay you and they can also scam you, so take note of that. Life is tricky. This life is tricky. Okay, so that's why you need to follow us that understand the industry, that know what really pays, what don't pay, and how you can avoid scams, and regardless, understand the rankings so that you will not be deceived. Okay, follow our recommendation project and get cash out. Also follow our ⴍᴜ project and also get payouts too, but take precaution. Use it to learn. Use this to learn and get encouragement, get wisdom from the space. So guys, bye for now. If you love our videos, do it to share them. Subscribe to our channel to get our future upload. No fee airdrop is currently paying. It's currently giving USDT, which I've just talked about in the channel. I'm making around $0.3 daily from that app, no fee. At least $0.3 to $0.5 every day from that app currently. Okay, but they have not listed to, so think of that. It's under ⴍᴜ category project, no fee app. It's under ⴍᴜ category project, so take note of that currently and know what to do with the information I just shared to you. Bye for now. See you on the next update. Our socials, our Telegram and WhatsApp will be in the comment section. Okay, so you can join them, and also description of the video, you can join them and ask questions before investing. And also, if you want to acquire skill like trading, investing in meme coins that we tag in our recommendation project, let me know in the comment section. I will bring you opportunities that are available in that dimension. Bye for now. See you on the next one. Peace out.